Like that. Even though I should probably hold it all the way
Trump
down.
had a very positive meeting with Netanyahu.
Is he talking now? Trump is talking. Trump with Ukraine Zelensky went very well. Trump had a very positive meeting. I don't understand what's so hard. Like, just make a fucking deal. Nobody wants to deal. It's cut off their head now at this point. Can I say that stuff? All right, there's the 1M. What the fuck is this on? Gonna keep going, isn't it? To my spot. Gonna go without me. About to have a new hour though. No way. There's a purple update next to it. Dude, my shit's perfect. See, there's a purple, little purple circle where it says update. You go next to the indicator, and then there'll be a little purple thing here. Yeah, I know it did that always, but I fixed it. Well, you do know that it needs, like, when the candle closes, then it populates. Does your screen look like mine now?
Overnight interbank rate starts at 0.85% versus 0.85% in prior session opening.
Go to your... Is there a purple thing next to your indicator? 1600 minute. Yeah, the brackets are going to move because it's updating to the new time frame. If it breaks, it's already marked. You know what I'm saying? The 1M is already marked. They're supposed to move right at the each single one because it doesn't matter anymore. They're irrelevant. I kind of wanted to long this. Just for a scalp because we got an order block here. Denial to the upside. Green dot. And if we close above this, we should be Gucci. But I'm going to be a little bit aggressive, guys. So just do your own thing, all right? I want to see if I can get a payout here. Should minimally go to 42s or above. I think it goes even higher, but just for the short term, I still think downtown. Froggy. Feeling froggy. Still didn't close above yet.
China Commerce Ministry on U.S. sanctioning Chinese research institutions. Aware of situation, strongly dissatisfied, and firmly opposes this.
Wait, is that bad news? Good news. Come on, pop it, pop it, pop it.
China Commerce Ministry on U.S. adding Chinese research institutions to sanctions list. U.S. artificially sets discriminatory barriers, politicizes
All right, we
and
got to be careful with
weaponizes
this
research
news.
cooperation.
Go, man. China doesn't like what
China
we're doing.
Commerce Ministry on U.S. sanctions for Chinese research institutions urges U.S. to halt baseless smearing and promptly correct mistakes.
Come on, 8 seconds, 8 seconds. Come on!
China Commerce Ministry will take necessary steps to protect legitimate rights and interests of Chinese research institutions after U.S. sanctions.
Telling you, I'm like always getting shafted here. This is hard with that Asian news. Because China got caught doing a lot of stuff to us. They have a lot of proof. Still a little bullish on short term here, but come on, long. I can't believe that's gonna miss me by it. Basically missed me by nothing. It just didn't fill. Come on. I mean, would we consider this like a hit? And now it's done. Trying to figure that out now. $600. 700. Trying to be aggressive for the daily payout. Or it was a little too aggressive. Well, we know that this is completely absolutely wrong here. Let's get out. Fuck you, bro. Dude, I'm getting fucking shafted, bro. Now we're gonna go down to what I originally thought it. That really fucked me. See if I can get a bounce here and back up. I can't go in too fucking heavy because it's got intraday. I think I'm going against a lot of shit right now. I gotta be smarter. Gotta be smarter. Yeah. It should dump. Trying to get some. Killing me now. It's killing me now. What was my original theory down here, right? 15-minute candle's too far down for... I can't believe that missed by that. Like, come on. Like, that's crazy, dude. Need to go in more, though. Just dump. How much was I up before? Because I got to add that to my intraday. What are you talking about? I'm going down. I'm shorting. Come on, a little further. All right. We got a lot of that back. They're still going to dump to my area, though. Watch. This is what I'm saying. I got to play this 5-minute better. Usually you just keep the whole entire stop loss and you just wing it down, but I'm playing stop losses like crazy. Look, bang, all the way down too. So we should hit 919s
China
or
Commerce
lower.
Minister held phone call with UK Trade Secretary. Ministry statement.
I see that gap. What do you mean? No, I know that. I just wanted a little bounce, bro. You saw how close I was. It's not like I was crazy. 943. Old, yeah, there's an old gap down here at 930.
China Commerce Minister to UK Trade Secretary. China ready
Nice
to boost
triad.
cooperation in service trade, green transition, renewable energy.
Tree bar. I think it goes down further though, dude.
China Commerce Minister to UK
Gap?
Trade Secretary.
Downside?
Highly concerned about British steel nationalisation. Urges UK to
Ha!
follow relevant international rules.
I gotta be careful. Let's see. Green the red, baby. Let's go. Close
China
down.
Commerce Minister tells UK Trade Secretary urges supportive business
I
climate
love
for
that
Chinese
move, bro.
enterprises
Looks
in
like it's
the
going
UK.
up. It swipes right back down. Like an oh. Oh. Did it swipe me? Did I speak too soon? We gotta be careful on this. Come on. Green the red again. Let's continue down. I don't even know what the hell this thing is. It kind of broke it. I'm being like you right now. Soft. Just for that, I put on 6. There we go. We know it's touching this. We're not going to be soft around here. We're going to commit. Pretty scary, though. Come on, my original TP is down here, so... love for it to just rip through. There it goes. There it goes. Alright, full TP is about to hit. Alright. By the way, I wasn't saying what you were doing earlier. Oh. Bro, I yell at the market all day, bro. I kind of really want to long this right now, just for a scalp, dude. Oof. This is a bad idea. Oh, come on.
Taiwan stocks fall more than 2%.
That's not good. You know why? Because Taiwan... because of China. They're scared of China right now. Alright, here's that 1 minute. Hoping this would go green, and then I just close it, and then I'll wait for the sweep. I'd rather wait for a sweep. I was kind of being ballsy on this 23 retracement. Oh man, it might just want down, dude. Oh, I think China just keeps talking poopy. Another gap. Let's see if it pulls up at least. We get a green to red move. Let's go again. Come on, green to red. But go up though. Come on. 922s. Kind of like what had happened up here. Exactly what happened up here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I might just say F you. Yeah, I am really aggressive right now. Evan,
China
yeah, my
sets
internet's really
yuan
bad.
midpoint at strongest level since February 10th, 2023.
I actually never got off. It just got really, really bad. So full TP ended up hitting, guys. Yeah, this is the daily payout one for Lucid. So I'm like, you know what? Let me see if I can get a payout. Day one, I don't know. You gotta really accept when you're wrong, though, I think. Alright, well, we know this just closed above it, right? So you would not short this, right, Johnny? Your old block. Yeah, I see how it did a 3 bar off of it. Like, do you trade this up? Oh, and we closed above. I should be long this. Sorry. I'm not asking you anymore. Okay, gotcha. I'm long anyway. I didn't realize it, but the sweep candle got hit. If this doesn't hold, it's gonna completely dump, so just be careful. My stop will be in the bottom. I'm in 10. Looking for... Man, should I take a little bit early because of what it did? 69. I want to even go even more, but... Because this is like, you know, one of those setups that I keep waiting for. Right, I'm going 14. I probably shouldn't wait too long, just because of... I'm gonna take those two out a little early because it's intraday drawdown. I forgot. Keep forgetting. So what was up? 300 bucks there. So like I really have negative 300 on there. Ooh, gap baby, let's go. Okay, we're out two. Like we're up 400 bucks right here. Like 500. Intraday, if it starts pulling back, it sucks.
China Sea. Bank injects 206.5 billion yuan via 7-day reverse repos at 1.40%. Statement.
Another bull. Gap. What do you need for a payout on the daily? Cowboy. I was sleeping with my sister. I think you need like it says 2100 is the buffer. I'm pretty confident in this trade, but I don't want $600 to come back. I'll take some out as it goes. Let's go, baby. For today, yeah, I need for the daily payout. The one I'm on is a daily payout system for Lucid. And if you get 2100 or more, you can request a payout for today. That VWAP, man. All right. My sister has her own home now. Wish she was still in the other room. Yo, you're crazy, bro. Okay, so we don't want it to come back too much. Remember, it's intraday. I'm at payout level already. Just to let you know, anything past this, I can cash out. Mr. Bob. Another gap. Let's go. Yeah, switch it up. I saw the movement was too juicy. Take this payout and trade a different account. I need a little more. Like, I'm at the buffer now. Cowboy. You know that made you giggle, though, when I said that. You know it made you giggle. I don't know. I'm just kind of riding this last two. No idea what it's going to do. But the gaps are giving me confidence. Do I see the box sweep? Where? The one that you drew? Yeah, 9. What was it? 2808? Oh, so you think it keeps going up? All right, let's see. Oh, in the bottom. Yeah, you're right. You're right. How about 2808? What do you think it goes to? Because looking at your box, it's 28. Basically 28,000, right? Nico! Why'd you say I was up? Why'd you say it like that? If it makes you feel better, guys, I lost 9,000 today. So stupid. Literally could have requested a $2,500 payout today. Easily. Such an idiot. But we're trying to daily payout here. Let's see if we can do it.
Zelensky tells
Yeah.
Fox News Trump
Cowboy.
agreed to provide Ukraine licenses for Patriot missiles.
All right, well, that's not good for Russia. Yeah. So stupid. Yeah, we get a lot of news right now. Nico, why you say was, bro? Everybody. All right, let's see how it reacts here. I'm gonna keep this probably pretty tight. Trying to decide where, because I need some wiggle room at the same time. Taiwan, yeah, everybody. This is the area 28K. I think it's gonna like blast through. What do you guys think? So we got this monster short played out very well, and now we got this monster bottom. Honestly, I think we did pretty good here. We could take out this anytime. But I'm curious to see what happens here. What do you guys think? Yeah, triad. Yep, I get paid everything that's all above it. Denying a lot. All right, I'm gonna take it. Not too bad. Not too bad. So we hit the box. I gotta change this song. What am I listening to here? I feel like that was gonna have a dope beat. Yeah, this is pretty good PA so far. Oh, CPI Australia right now. I think it's good.
Australia June CPI, all groups, falls
Scared to press it though.
0.1% month to month. Australia June RBA trimmed mean
Lewis,
CPI
yeah, I just
rises
lost service. My
0.3%
internet was
month
shit.
on month.
Lano,
Australia June RBA weighted median
full move
inflation
lock in.
rises 0.3% meter per meter. Australia June RBA trimmed mean CPI rises 3.6% year on year. Australia June CPI, all groups,
Let's wait until this
rises
settles down.
3.8% year on year.
This is their backup for
Australia June
my
RBA
news
weighted
bot.
median CPI rises 3.7%
The guy doesn't want to be working all day,
year.
so he has one at night.
Australia at 2.8 RBA trimmed
Nice,
mean
Lewis.
CPI
Good shit,
rises
bro.
0.8% quarter on quarter, poll 0.9%. Australia Q2 CPI, all groups, rises 0.6% Q on Q versus 0.7% poll. Australia Q2 RBA weighted median CPI rises 0.7% quarter on quarter, below poll of 0.8%. Australia
Why
at
can't you see it, though?
2.8 RBA trimmed mean CPI rises 3.6% year per year, poll 3.7%. Australia Q2 RBA weighted median CPI rises 3.6% year per year, poll expected 3.7%.
I see an X Top Step to bring back affiliates. Are they? I will go there.
Iran's Revolutionary Guards say ballistic missiles struck US airbase and military command center in Jordan.
The only
Iranian
problem
state TV.
is Top Step really
China
messed up a
C-Bank
lot, dude.
injects 600 billion yuan via overnight reverse repos. Statement. Australia Q2 CPI, all groups, rises 4.0% year per year.
Top Step
slightly
was
below
really messing
poll
up.
of 4.1%.
Like their shit was freezing every day during a nice movement.
Daddy?
Like right now,
Is that you?
they would be
Is
down.
that you?
And you're like, what the hell? Oh damn, I didn't mean to do that. Shit. I just hit the wrong thing, bro. Didn't realize I was on something else.
Daddy, chill.
What did the Lucid guy say? Guys, opened up so much extra shit that I did not need. What did the Lucid guy say? Ooh, did he really? Was he like, what did he say in like a context? All right, so do we short this? I know I was supposed to wait for the pullback. Ah. Is he getting any backlash for it? As long as he keeps paying me. Damn, that was $400. Honestly, if this goes green, I might get out. Making me nervous. Should have waited for this pullback first. All right. Woo. Oh, I wanted the
Uplift Daily. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
that was the button I wanted to press.
Daddy, chill.
I actually pressed the other one that opens up all my apps. Dude, huge rejection off that too. That would have been money. See, that was money. No, you fuck. It's all over the way over. It doesn't move. What are you talking about, bro? Does my indicator not act the same as yours? Can you, when it turns 9:45, I need you to look at my screen. But I think they're making a big deal out of it. What did he say? Because they do hack a lot. He's been having a lot of issues with hackers. What do you think he should do? Say sorry? Or say, what do you want me to say? I'm telling the truth. What do you want me to say? Just curious. Not me, him. But their country is known for a lot of hacking, so I think you got to do like the the extra steps now for safety. It's annoying. I really do like this song. Pull you up. Sorry, my thing got all messed up, Lano. I see you now. Yo, gang, it's Dottie. Dottie changed his name! Nice! Justin! Is a beauty in the being. Come on, let's get another swipe. Feeling confident. You need to tell it that it needs to stay. No. Bro, I think you're so smart sometimes, and I think you're very silly sometimes at the same time. You can push this to the right. You can do whatever you want. You go to the settings, the offset. You can do whatever you want. You can do gaps in between. You can do whatever you want. Where the 15-minute column starts, bar right of current bar. Oh, yours is glitched. It should not do that at all. Or does mine do that too? But you can push it really far out. I still think you're silly. It's not a coding error. There's no way. Let me make sure that I'm gonna delete it and then put it back on. You're saying yours stays. Does mine stay put? I'm pretty sure mine stays put. You're yelling at somebody, but we got no idea who you're yelling at. It's my friend. He needs to get slapped sometimes. NQ's kind of like going back and forth here. Let's see. They got a nice gap here. Let's see what happens. I would love a sweep down, though, so we can get another ride back up. Okay, it closed below it. We're going down. And mine moves. Let's see. Dude, it's not. Mine does it perfectly fine, though. Alright, I'll ask it. I'll ask it. But why does mine not do that? Let's go. Let's get a swipe down. Kind of want to short it again, but... Asia definitely went nuts. Alright, I'll ask others. I'm gonna ask my coding thing too. I can ask it right now. Okay, we got a swipe. It's a really big candle though. You guys think it goes up? Let's see. What was the monster sweep? Asia started talking. China started being a little mean. And also, we started blowing up targets. Try, it says if this breaks 7,880, this rips down more. Yeah, it's going to be the 4-hour low. I'm using micros. I always use micros, you know that. Because I can control it better. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Alright, we got 1 minute left into the new candle. I'd probably wait till it sweeps again. Got 15 seconds left, though. Alright, 4 hours been touched. Come on, swipe down. Just a little bit. There we go. Perfect, perfect. So let's see what happens here. It's hard. Oof. There you go, Triad. There you go. Just gonna keep going down. I don't want to chase it down yet, though. But new candle is here. 1M. Oh, too late, too early. Hold on. Gotta wait 10 more seconds here. And then we'll be looking for a long maybe. If it breaks and holds. Alright, come on. Alright, 1 second. Okay. Now, we'll see how it reacts to this resistance area here. If it starts to go up and then it flaps down, then we're probably going to keep going down further. We are on a bully block. That's another thing, too. We could probably actually enter on the long here, but... What's the ratio in this pullback, guys? So we're at 61%. Okay. All right, you guys ready for this? I'm probably going to go long now because this is an order block at the same time. So we got two reasons. Well, one reason now to go in long. I'll draw it out. So now if it closes above, it's going to launch up even further. If it can't hold, then I'm doomed. No, we're going to put a stop loss just below it. If it starts crashing below this, then it's going to go down even further. I'm probably going to hammer in some shorts. If it does. If it does. We're still in it. This could be the micro 78% pullback. Ah, all right, I'm shorting. Did not hold. Well, it actually never closed above either, but I think it comes down. Order block did not hold. 6. Come on, fall. Man! Playing games! Remember, if it closes above here, then I have to go in long, but... I think we're Gucci to go down, dude. $50 at a time. Not a bad idea. I think it drops. What is it, the 50 here?
Iran's Revolutionary Guards. 3 oil tankers hit and halted in Strait of Hormuz after ignoring warnings, state TV.
Not bearish. Come on. Come on! Did you get that short, Lano? Fighting me like crazy. There he goes. Gotta get past this 50, right? Bang. Good job. Alright, I'm out. Next stop is 755s if it wants to continue. Alright, let's see what happens here. Don't like this choice of music lately. Think it keeps going? Down? To the 800s is right here. Probably needs to swipe that. Let's see. And you don't need to change anything on your side. Brackets are drawn at 13 to the right candle. They only stay clear of price if the script redraws them on every new candle. When it redraws bar has moved, so the bracket shifts right with the market. On your chart, that redraw is happening every new bar, so spacing stays correct. On your friend's chart, it sounds like the brackets only redraw when the 15-minute level fib update. Between those updates, the objects stay stuck on an old bar index while new candle prints into the space, so it looks stationary until the next 15-minute bracket refresh. Most likely cause he's not on the same script version you are. Older paste partial update or copy that only refreshes drawing. It says it's on your end so far, huh? Kind of slowed down on me here. Very nice, Lano. Very nice. That was a huge drop. I kind of should have been up like $400 more, but I got in early on the block. I should have waited for the close. It clearly was rejected. Damn, do I just get in? I don't want to just get in. Does Triad? You're doing very good, bro. Yeah. I should. We probably need to just wait because the brackets are the sweep candle's way stronger. Obviously. 780 top of the next box. All right, we're almost there. The cluster 790, 792. Well, we're there now. I was thinking here 754s. You're saying 780 to what? 780 to what? 160. Nobody fucking knows. Nobody knows. This is my cluster zone for my order block. I'm just curious to see how it reacts. Okay. It just updated for me. So new sweep possible. Okay. Sweep top. I'm not too sure if it will come up and close, but we'll see how it reacts. All right, 1M. Closes above this resistance, which is also support. I'm gonna long this. I don't want it to blast up. Hopefully it doesn't. Come on, we need a good entry here. You shithead. So we're above my sweep candle. I want to see it pull back, and then I'm going to enter it, because I feel like this is a monster candle up. Come on, come back down. I mean, this is an entry up. I just don't want to chase it. See what happens when it pulls back. I'm only going to go in 2 now because it's a huge candle, dude. Also, the 5 minutes in play. That's 3 minutes away, though. So let's see when the 5 is swept. So whenever this candle closes, we can absolutely monster up all the way. Much, much higher. I'm talking about like 9/12s. We gotta wait. Probably gonna wait 2 minutes, I think. Hey, Triad, and everybody else that's in here on TikTok, I'm gonna restart TikTok just to stream, not the whole thing, just because I had so much disconnections before that it might just be pausing me. All right, so I'm just really gonna turn it off, turn it back on as it rips up, though. I'm gonna go in 6. You can't go in too much on this because you don't know until the 5 minutes close, which is in 2 minutes. And that'll make a monster candle. All right, I'm gonna restart TikTok, all right, guys? on. Okay, we're back. So I'm looking for the long here. The sweep of the Nasdaq 780s happened, and now we're closed above it. So I'm looking for the long on Nasdaq for the sweep high. I just don't want to chase it too much, but we got plenty of room to the upside. Also, when the 5-minute closes, if it starts to close above, then we're going to launch much, much higher. Obviously, you got to wait until that's done. So far, okay, so 5-minute is right here. So if it closes above this 5M here, is the sweep candle, for the 5-minute time frame, we should be okay. Damn, 6 is $200. We back, we back. Again, if it starts dumping, then I'm gonna short. So stop loss just below this swing. But we should be Gucci. Oof, I almost went another 6 long. There you go. There you go. Come on. Break this 5, homie. Break this 5. Shit. I'm trying to move it up. Alright, we're in only 2 left. But I might re-enter more. Because we have potential to go all the way up, dude. But we need to wait like 3 more minutes to confirm that move. We are at the 50 right now. Alright, let me put the long. Look at the 15-minute. Sweeps through. Should cover the whole top. Let's go, baby. I'm in a long. What's up, Tay? Feels like it's time for another pullback, though. Want this too long? Yeah, I need this too long, baby. Let's go. So we got 2 minutes left of this. If it starts cracking below this, it's not going to be good. And the 5-minute could be off the table. But we're in the long. Did not mean to put this all the way down here. Hello? Why does it say no audio detected? Alright, he needs to reject here. Very nice. Look at that. I hope you're in it and you're not being a little vagina. Can I say that word? There you go, baby. Let's go. 5 minutes been closed over. We're Gucci. Look for this long. Let's rip it up. Let's rip it up. What's up, Alexa? To the moon. To the moon.
Daddy, chill.
Not hitting where I want, bro. Need this style. Skip. Go, go, go. I don't know if it's gonna short again. I don't know if it'll short again, but you know. Let's see. Did the 4 hour get swiped? No. So it's up in the air. I don't know. I don't like to think about it being a short. I just like to get to the area and then we'll react. We'll react again. But I was hoping this would like just slam up a little bit faster. But this happened last time. Look at the 5 last time that we did. This thing took a while, but it never got close and it just dwindled down. But it was a monster drop at first. And then it retested the 5. So we could come right back down and retest this and long again. Do you guys think we should get out and then just redo it? I'm gonna do it. Alright, I'm gonna get out now, and then if it comes back, I'll get back in. Definitely think it's going up. Do have an order block rejection here. See if it pulls back, though. If not, it's gonna go without me. Try to be patient.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Boss Money, Ortega, Hernandez. Welcome to the Soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Papa. You're not wrong if you wanted to hold this. Just wanted to see. I'm in a intraday trail down account. The daily payout on Lucid. Could come down here to the 804s too. What do you guys think? Nervous. How did it react up here? Went a little bit above it, but the 5 probably rejected that pretty hard. We're almost there. But at least I know it's gonna hold it long, so I guess it was good to take profit and then get back in. 4,100? I don't know yet. I mean, I could take a payout now. I feel like I want to get to 3,100, so it's 1,000 over, and then take the $1,000. Antonio. It could come down in this order block. I don't know. All I know is that the 5 minutes in play.
Mark Zuckerberg, US should not prohibit Chinese AI. FT.
Bro, Mark, shut your mouth! Shut your mouth, Mark! Alright, we're at this order block here.
Zuckerberg, banning advanced Chinese AI in US, not an effective solution. FT.
That could ruin the Nasdaq movement. But still sticking with my long here. Mark, go to bed, bro. Yeah, what is he doing right now? This is way past his bedtime. He doesn't even drink coffee. That psycho. I mean, I guess if you're in, like, Hawaii, it's only, what, like 7 o'clock, right? Okay, this order block might be strong. Right in the golden
South
pocket.
Korea
feeling pullback.
finance minister, internally reviewing methods to stabilize domestic stock market.
Really? There's another order block here too, and I'm like, ah. But the 5's still good. Oh my god. I don't know how strong this is though, but it should go up. It should go up. I mean, I'm thinking short again. Not gonna get in though. Hoping the best for you. Yeah, it's fine if you think it's gonna short. See how it acts. You know, my 5-minute strategy is actually supposed to be stronger than the 1 minute. This actually has like a 70% win streak, depending on other factors going on or higher. But I really didn't want to go below this. But, we gotta stick to the strategy here. We could take 2 out too, again up here and just scalping it, Say we're recovering it again. This is why they call me Alpha Daddy. Alright? Man, I want to take some off. I'm gonna take 2 off only because I'm in intraday. $863s? What? And then a pop up? Gotta rip through. Let's fucking go, though. Let's go. Come on. Come on, blast through. I needed to go up a little more so I can get a better stop loss for my trail. Man, this thing is freaking lackluster. I'm taking it off. I'm still cool with it. Still get $1,000 payout if I want to right now, I think. I don't know if I gotta wait for the end of the day though. Let's look at the rules. Wow, there is no fixed payout window. You may request a payout any day after meeting all criteria. Shit, am I tempted to hit the button? You think it continues up? I don't know. See what I can request. Might rip up, dude. All right, there's no. This is Lucid daily payout. It just came out. First account. All right, there's that 1M already. If it closes below, I'm gonna short. Didn't close yet. So is Lucid daily? It's gonna dumb. Yeah. Let's see. I mean, just it's still kind of supporting there. Guys, make sure you guys use code BULLY for Lucid. There it goes, baby. Shit. Wish I held on. I don't want to chase it though. It's gonna go to my mark. Yeah, it's gonna go, huh? I don't want to chase, but I kind of want to. Let's get a little bit out of this. So we got a failed break, comes up, and breaks a high again. It should continue. How do I request payout, bro? Should I just go to my original spot? Stop being a little softy. Rip up! Come on, Triad!
China Finance Ministry to sell 15 billion yuan government bonds in Hong Kong on August 5th.
Is that good or bad? I'm a dreamer! Come on, let's go. Why couldn't price action be like this today? Do you think we trade too much? Like at this point, both up healthy and they're just looking for... Hey, this is my original trade, bro. Man, do I just take it out here? It's so much money. I'm being such a wimp. I'm only taking it out because it's daily payout right now. All right, there's your new one right here. Should hit my target, but I'm just nervous. So how the hell do I take a payout on this thing, man? The daily. This payout
Iraq's
timing.
Popular Mobilization Forces, US Saudi troops strike PMF headquarters across Iraq.
So sometimes Asia's hit or miss, you know? You gotta judge it. Damn, I should have held the whole thing.
Iraq's Popular Mobilization Forces. Attacks kill several, wound others.
The minimum payout request per account is $500. Payout maximum is amount of SIM profits built above the buffer. My buffer should be... My buffer is $2,100. I have $1,000 over it. I should be able to request and get 800 bucks out of that, no?
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Make aliens
that
great
you?
again. Interesting. Payout timing. Uh-oh. Don't tell me I'm losing service again, guys. We did so good. Payout timing and processing. There's no fixed payout
Industrial
window.
plant in Russia's Ryazan catching fire after drone strike, regional governor.
There is no fixed payout window. You may request a payout any day after meeting all eligibility criteria. Once approved, funds will be deducted from your account within a few minutes. There is no fixed payout window. You may request a payout any day after. Ah, I gotta wait tomorrow? We hopping on longs? Nah, my long just hit, dude. I move this. Now we gotta see what happens. Might be a short. Thought it was. I'm gonna have to ask the their AI. Oh damn, ready? Pay attention, guys. Going down to 846. I don't want to hop in right away though. Dude, did that hit my mark and then just tumbled, huh? Alright, closed. See if it comes. I'm trying to be smart. Smarter. Yeah. 50% pullback, like exactly. Bro, I am farming right now. $21.04. This should be a short. Hopefully it gets it. If not, then it's just gonna tumble without me. Like that kind of feels like I should get it now. Got a FOMO there? I think I did. $11 open gonna be something? What's gonna be it? Hey, Bob, this is a Lucid Daily payout. I kind of been liking the pullback line though. Take profit trader warrior. Yeah, I was trying this. This you can request up to 8,000, but it says hold on. I keep losing service.
China's central bank carries out overnight reverse repos on Wednesday, with borrowing cost at 1.25%,
Yeah, so
unchanged from previous operation
if
in
you can hear
June,
me, sorry, I'm
sources
losing
say.
service.
Taiwan shares fall over 3%.
It's 1 day and a half to pass. So I opened this account 3 o'clock today or yesterday, whatever you want to call it. Made my 1,500 for the 50%, and then at 6:30, I made my full 15 other 100%, so I got my 3,000, and then I activated it instantly, and now I just made this tonight. But it's intraday. Well, you could do end of day drawdown for the eval, and then intraday for the when you go to funded. That's what happens. It goes to intraday. So I had to do it very carefully. But I really wanted to like see if I can do something. So I'm trying to find out when I can do the payout, which should be like so it only appears after 5:30 p.m. So tomorrow I'm not going to touch this account. And then I'll have a guaranteed $1,000 basically. Triad up 1,400 on paper trades this Asia session. Said to myself, got to make 3K before another eval. Hey, that's pretty good. You're keeping yourself liable. I kind of want to take one out. Like, I'm literally just want to, like, lock this payout in, guys. Head into bed? Not yet. Soon. Going against me! Yeah. I just wanted to play this one trade out. See? If it goes above, then we'll walk away. I was going to close at $80 too. Rip down, baby. You 10K, me 5K? You can make 10K tonight? Ah, man. Nah, I really want the $1,000 right now. I'm already funded with the pro. Like, I made 4,000. I made 4,000 Friday. And I really wanted another 8,000, but, like, I need to get... Today really hurt me, dude. I lost 9,000 of my funded. Being such an idiot. Yeah, I messed up today really bad. Doesn't look very good. Come on, crash. It's working somehow? You're just catching the bottoms, huh? Well, yesterday you didn't catch the bottom or whatever it was. You held. But it did work out crazily in your favor. Don't care if they burn account. I want to make it like a real... I want to make like... last summer. It's been rough since Trump got in, not gonna lie. Dude, remember last summer doing Soul Collectors? We were making like 50K a month. Yeah, last summer was special. Don't make me blush, alright? Trying to bring me to bed? Oh, Gucci, let's go. Down. Pretty sure it's down. I needed this. I needed that. Needed that. Do you believe now? 50K a month? Why the hell do you still work? Because it's not guaranteed. You know? Like, what was it? The last 50 days, I haven't been making much at all. If anything, I kind of like break even for the last 50 days. In the beginning of the year, I made a lot of money. And then I was pulling like 8K a month after that. But, I also lost a lot of money in the beginning of the year too. When we were playing the gold and silver, dude, I was up like $60,000 on one account one time, and I lost it all. I was a little bit intoxicated in Mexico, and I don't know what I was doing. But like, if you take all my profit for the year, I'm probably over $300,000 that I gave back.
Is that you?
Really silly stuff. If I could just lock in, like today. If I would have just lost 1,000 of that 9,000 today, I would have been perfectly fine. I probably would have made another 9,000 tomorrow. And then the day before that. It's the one days that have been wiping me out like an idiot.
Priam, welcome to the saddle, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
It's just the one day that's really hurting me. And I need to figure it out. Because you guys see, like, the days that I do good, I'm owning. And then the days that I do bad, I am absolutely destroying weeks of work. And I don't know why, and I never was like that before, but all of a sudden, I don't know if I'm making too much money, and I'm like, let's go, baby. Are the gaps making it better? They are perfect tonight. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm not trading this account tomorrow. I'm not trading this account tomorrow. You have to click on, if you're listening to me, Johnny C, you have to click on end of day or intraday.
Daddy?
And then you have to pick
that you?
either the daily drawdown. You have to click the 2 boxes on the choice. You can get it down to $95, but you gotta trade it carefully. All right, we're at 1. Like this account, if I close this right now, is guaranteed $1,000 payout tomorrow. Damn, how you gonna go into my page and ask me what YT should I watch to learn trading? Watch mine. As I lose service. As I lose service. No, I'm just kidding. If you want to learn like the basics, I don't like one person because you need to find what works for you and what sits right in your mind, right? Because I can teach you something and then you might not understand it, and then somebody else teaches it and you understand it perfectly. So it needs to adapt to your personality. Right now, I think there's a 50% off if you never used it. Hold on. I keep losing service, dude. I'm just losing service. I typed it in there if you didn't hear me. Sorry. The first 2 are 50% off, I believe. And then you get 30 or 40% off. If you use code BULLY, what happens is that I get like 3 money! We'll put a buy order up here, buy stop, so we can't lose. I'm really catching a groove with the gaps. I have trouble when I trade without them. They give me confidence as well. That gave me confidence. It did. Like that short. I already hit that, took profit. Then a gap came. You were still in, and I jumped back in. Yeah. Definitely. Bang, baby. Bang! Daddy's on fire right now. So I can't request this until tomorrow. It's alright. I'd rather guarantee the $1,000 bucks. I need my confidence back. Get a nice little payout, you know? Show the people. Show the people that I can trade a little bit. So I hit that mark like perfect. I'm not gonna trade anymore though. I think I'm done. And then I didn't touch my pro version yet, and that's also funded. So we're looking okay again. We lost $9,000 today funded. But we're walking away at least with a $1,000 payout. We would have had 4,000. I'm a little upset because I was actually due for the $2,500 payout on pro plus 2,000 on the flex. You know? Do I want to take this? Yes, I fucking do. Take the night off? No! Got to make 1K tomorrow on paper trades, and I'll be back. We'll probably use the code to buy my next prop. Nice, Triad. So it depends on your style. My opinion, Lucid's the best. Flex. Flex is the best. It's $90 unless you had the 50% off, because if you're a first time buyer, I think it's like $70. You can pass in a day and a half on the Flex. It's first day, you got to make 50%. You don't have to. It's your choice if you want to do the day and a half. You need 50% the first day if you want to do the day and a half, which is $1,500 if you pick the $50,000 account. $50,000 account is the best in my opinion. So if you make $1,500 the first day, the second day, if you make $1,500 again, you can activate it instantly and you're funded and you can trade right away. Now, if you take your time, totally up to you, but once you're done and hit that $3,000 mark, you're good to go. Now, once you're funded, you do not need any consistency rule. It's 5 days of $200. That's it. 5 separate days of $200. Doesn't have to be in a row. It could be whatever you want. It could take you a month. You can request 50% of your account. So say you're up $4,000, you can take out $2,000 max payout. Now the pro version. The pro version, you can pass it in 1 day. No consistency. Yeah, I'm on it right now. This is my intraday. I'll go over that in a second. Flex is no buffer. Pro has a buffer, but you can pass in 1 day. So if you're really aggressive, pass it in 1 day. And then you can't make more than 40% of your total profits in 1 day. So if you made $5,000 for the whole week, you can't make more than 2 a day. If you make more, then you got to make more. That's the pro version, and then you can take out 2,000 and then 2,500. I was due for the 2,500 today. I swear to God, I think I was like $52 away, dude, and I don't know what I did wrong today. My emotions got the best of me. Crazy. Do I mentor? Not one-on-one. We kind of like just learn together, like I teach you. I do offer indicators that make it easier for you, but I want you to learn first before you make that commitment. There is a 30-day free trial with my indicators. You just got to join my free Discord and join the VIP. 30-day free trial, then it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. The intraday. Now, how the intraday works, again, you pick. How can I learn, bro? I'm motivated. Go on YouTube and just start clicking how to day trade and watch 50,000 videos. You could also join my free Discord. I have a beginner's no knowledge section. It's going to take you time, dude. It's going to take you time. You got to have to give it a couple months. So don't think that you're going to come in here and just make thousands and thousands of dollars, because you're not. You might get lucky at first, but this is, build some confidence over time. Once you start getting that motivation, that build, you could start really making the money. Like, just for instance, last summer, dead ass, we were making $50,000 a month, and then it got real choppy for 2.5 months. I didn't make shit. So you have to prepare for months that are gonna be caca. So feeling this song right here. So the daily payout ones for Lucid, it's your choice what you want. You could do the daily loss limit or the end of day, and you could pick intraday or end of day. I picked end of day. I was able to get 50% of the count last night. As soon as 6 o'clock came, I made the other 50%. And now I got funded on the daily, and now this is what I made so far. I'm $1,000 over the buffer, and now I can take $1,000 out tomorrow. But I don't do the one-on-ones. My time is very expensive. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Kind of like died down a little bit. Tomorrow we'll trade the pro. Triad says, I started last week, so the fact I can win 20 trades and make 1,500 on a while, I feel pretty good. That is really good, Triad. Yeah, so you can be amazing at paper trading, but once you go funded, that's when the real fire goes on your ass. Not many people can do what I'm doing. A lot of people are using fake accounts. I am not. You can see how emotional I get, and I need to be better at that. I need to get better at that when I lose, because I start cursing at the world, bro. Like today when I lost the $9,000, because it hurt me. It hurt me. Hurt my soul. Just put a knife right in it. You know, that's promised money right there, and I just blew it away. So that's why I always recommend prop firms. So in case you just lose your shit, bro, you know you're not losing $4,000 or $9,000 of your own money. You're losing prop firm money. So the real test is gonna be when you're funded, for sure. But as long as you can stick to it, I always recommend don't trade any money you can't afford to lose. Because if you start using money you can't lose, bro, you're gonna make the stupidest mistakes you've ever seen in your life. And that's why a lot of people are like, yo, why do you have a job? Well, you got a job. I promise you, if I didn't have a job, I wouldn't even probably. Maybe it would light a fire under my ass. I don't know. But I can tell you right now, it's gonna make a lot of pressure for me to trade. So I always recommend to have a job. Yeah, I did actually. Yes, exactly. I feel like this is much easier to teach. Powers! Were you working? Alright, this could be a long. But yeah, I'm thinking about the lines drawing for you. Even if it's like just that big. But I've noticed that the levels kind of work still. Like this 5 minute, yeah, it's getting. See how it's still stubbled? What's the price in the 5M? The 824s. Wow, you went 15 and 17?
Voice news disconnected. Voice news disconnected.
What the hell?
Voice news disconnected. Voice news disconnected.
Oh, it's not working now. Um, 824. In case you didn't hear it. Thing is dumping. See how this reacts too. Curious. You see how it still touches? They still got some resistance to them. Try it. Just stick to it, bro. Just stick to their method. If you're, this is a really good night, though. Just let you know, a really good night. But just stick to it. Don't change too many ways. And if it doesn't work for the market that week, that day, then it's okay. It's just the market's playing games. Oof. Gap down, huh? Even on the MNQ it was. Dude, I can't trade this count. I can go to the other one though. I just want the money right now. I need a even though it would have been a not good short. Unless it goes green and red. Wow, kind of just blasted off. Alright, looks like it wants to long if it goes above this. It's only 6 minutes past, so if it closes above, we're Gucci. I changed my account. I'm not on the other one. All right, let's see. Boom. Damn, that shit just took off from Dallas. No, I went to a different account. I'm on my other pro account. That shit just ripped up, dude. How was Dallas? Dallas is pretty sick. That ripped up. I mean, still got room, but it's not worth the juice for me yet. I travel between Dallas and Houston every week. Do you really? What did it bounce off of? Forgot. Oh shit. I see it. I see it. Wait, is that it or is that my order block? Shit. I mean, the old 1M it bounced off of. Man, that rocketed up, dude. Ah, why are you down 1,500, Mr. Bob? Is that a cluster or? Hold the 4 micros long at 28K. Oof. Another $100. 100 points up. You might get it though, bro. You might get it. Gangsta, bro. Would you go there for Texas? Dude, this ripped without me. I couldn't get it. We would have got like 25 points. I got family out there. That's cool. Ripping up now, huh? This is a higher low. If you go to the 15, I bet you this is like yeah. This could go up. I don't know if it's gonna go above 20K right now, but definitely got potential for the pullback. Yeah, you might get it actually. 28 points over at least. Oh my god. Did you practice the indicator yet? Texas? Because this literally got you in long. You gonna get it back right now? Oh boy. Yeah, you gotta practice this, Texas. Today was rough with it, but you know what? You get 2 or 3 wrong, you gotta walk away. You gotta walk away, and I didn't do that. I would have easily walked away with like $1,300 in profit with no problem. I screwed up today though. I lost 9,000 today. Of my funded. So pissed. I need to focus on Yeah, 9,000. I know. Make you cringe, huh? I'm losing money that changes people's lives. Stupid. But I need to focus on, like, Hey, I want to be real with you guys, too, you know?
They say money can't buy happiness.
Trading isn't always,
Smile on my face.
you know, amazing. Oopsie.
Thank you for the heart. Appreciate you.
Daddy, chill.
It's not always roses and butterflies. Sometimes it's farts and what else is disgusting? But yeah, we got to be truthful, right? If you're not truthful to yourself, then if you really want to be honest with you, I probably lost over 300,000 of profit this year. Being really silly and stupid. Whatever, we're working on it.
They say money can't
Mr.
buy
Bob,
happiness.
I'm trying to be
They say
real.
money can't buy happiness.
Oopsie.
Fucking smile on my face.
You're the best. Appreciate it.
Daddy, chill.
Do I go like this too? Yeah, that's totally up to you. That's just me that changed my style. The alert candles I changed to. I mean, that's 78% pullback, Mr. Bob. You're probably good there. 68. Yeah. You can at least make sure you glide that down your TP though. But yeah, you got to change the candles yourself. And then alerts, I changed the colors too, just to help you guys out when you guys are learning. How do you get rid of the no gliding? You know what I meant. You right click and then go to your settings on TradingView. And then go to trading. Trading and then it's somewhere here. Execution marks on the bottom. I'm just trying to clean up my chart for you guys, so trading on my phone. Nice. Now that's how you trade. That's how you trade, dude. So, yeah. What I need to learn is, here's the facts, here's truth, right? I gotta be truthful with myself. Yes, I make a lot of money on my green days. Like, I think I had 12 or 13 green days in a row. And then, what I do today? I gave the whole thing back. Like, what the fuck's wrong with you? So I need to fix that. I used to be good at it, and now I'm not that good at it. I feel like I'm slacking on it since I started streaming. It's like, it's hard to accept those losses and walk away. I don't know. We're trying to figure it out, you know? Maybe you guys have a good recommendation what to do. I know what to do. 2 to 3 losses, walk the fuck away. Just walk away because it's not working. It's harder to do. It's easier said than done, right? But I would probably have $200,000 in cash extra if I learned how to walk away a little better. And I think this new method's the way, right? It's either I'm wrong or I'm right. That's it. There is no deciphering on this. There's no in between. It's either I'm right or wrong on this new style. And there's ways to actually, you know, if it is wrong, you can actually, like, say I go in long here and it hits the bottom. And it hits the bottom and it takes me out of the 1M low, the sweep candle. You know, most likely it's going to short, and it failed. As soon as you lost to 1800, you should have stopped probably. Yeah, you're completely right. You're completely right. Well, I don't really like to stop. Well, yeah, giving back $1,800 is a lot of money, right? So I probably should have stopped. So fall down, get back up. Yep. I'm gonna I'll make $1 million. I'm talking about my losing
They say
days.
money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Oopsie. What is that, a doggy? Woof, woof. Did you not work today? No, I'm off. I work tomorrow night. Because Asia was just ripping. It was fire. It was moving every way you possibly could think of. Asia was good. Don't you guys agree today? I don't like Asia. Like, it's not that I don't like Asia. It's hit or miss. You need to accept if it's not moving. Fall down, think about it, come back. That's what I'm doing. Well, I came back with a better teaching plan. Does that make sense? And probably a better stop loss plan. Before, I could scalp like you can't believe. Like today, like I made $3,300, but one WDM just hit 25 points on a short. Nice, dude. I'm longing soon. Mr. Bob, you said? Definition of insanity is trying the same thing, expecting different results. Yeah, but that's the problem. You could have two wrong, and then the third one is the monster. I'm telling you, it happens all the time. I am good at scalping, but I made a better system for all of us. You would love 800. 800 would be pretty good, and there's an order block there. See if we get a sweep here, then maybe we can get a long. But you like to hold, so if it goes below 785s, I'm cool with that. So, like, you can't say that's insane because literally the market will make you go insane and it will work. You're like, what the you're gonna be like, what the fuck is wrong with me, bro? Like, yo, this didn't work all day and now it's working. Like tomorrow, watch, it's gonna be a freaking ass. But I'm not trading this account. I'm going to my pro. I'm locking in this $1,000 daily payout and I'm going from there. I don't know. I'm just kind of chilling right now. I was thinking about getting off soon. Whoa, you got pro gamblers that tell you when to stop? I didn't know that. I probably won't be on that at 12:30. But I'll be on tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow's interest rates, guys. Biggest news of every single, whatever, few months. I don't listen. You're right though, Mr. Bob. I go into a state where I think I've been up like 20K and give it back, bro. There is something wrong with me. I need to figure it out. Sometimes I make a lot of money and you can't help it, right? You're like, yo, I just made, $8,000 in payouts last week. Let me go for the big one. There's just something wrong with me. I mean, look at me. I'm wearing a fucking mask. I would gain viewers without it. I'm just I really gotta think it over. I don't want no problems with real life, you know what I mean? If you take the mask off, I'll buy a webcam. It ain't it's not about it's not about my appearance or anything like that. I think I would actually gain more followers. It's just my job. My bro, anything you do is real life. I'm LARPing, bro. I'm LARPing. But we might be at that crossroads where I might have to. But like, I don't know. Maybe somebody might be like, "Yo, the trader with the mask, he's always making money, or he's always losing money, whatever." Oh, that's nothing, Triad. I'm not worried about that. He has to hide his face where he would be known for how good he looks instead of how good he trades. This is true. This is so true. You guys are spitting facts. So 2 people from Thailand can watch me watch you. What? No, I think it would help me. I don't know. Because when I first started trading a year ago, or actually a year and a half ago, on streaming, I didn't have anything. I didn't have webcam on at all because I was like, I'm not going to show my face. Like, I can't. And then I'm like, I need to have somebody needs to see something, right? But what about those like those VTubers and stuff like that? The ones that have like the fake images. Picking ain't easy. Oh yeah, you're in here earlier tonight. It ain't easy. It ain't easy being brave, baby. Right at this gap. Let's see. That's because that appeal to the VR audience with trading people would rather see a real face because I'm not like being like shady, right? Would be locked in right now if it was still trading. LOL, key level right now. Kind of like 660, man. Short, then back up. Okay, let's see. You got 4 minutes into the new candle. Let's see. Wait, what are you saying? Wait, you went dramatically a big difference, Mr. Bob. You said like you liked it here to go long, and then you said 660. What are you doing? What are you doing? Keep up? Yeah, I need to keep up, bro. I'm slacking. All right, this is an order block, but I really like the sweeps more now. Sold it for 1,000 loss, down 300 down on the day. Hey, you're coming back though, dude. How you see that first long at 10? Ah, if I told you, I had to kill you. No, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. People say, oh, you know what's funny is that I'll shave pretty low for work when I go back. I have 4 days off, so I don't shave on my days off. Well, give or take if I'm what I'm doing. Yeah, I know you're 28K long, but you said that you got some out and then you made some money here and there. You thought it was a cult? Oh shit. I definitely need to show my face, bro. Yeah, but like eventually, like oh damn, this guy's fucking, really trading money. All right, let's go over to 10 o'clock one. So this candle here marked 1M. This was a 15-minute candle. Well, let me replay it back for you. I can show it a little bit easier. It's loading. So, you see this 15-minute bracket here, which you can get my indicator in the VIP section on my Discord. My Discord's free, but just my indicators I charge for because it's my own hard-earned money. Time that I used to make this. And this is what I use every day. So, I use all my indicators all day. I did simplify this recently. There's a ton of indicators available. They all work. It's mostly for your style. I've been using this one because it's easier to teach. Okay. 15-minute. You see the orange? 15-minute high, 15-minute low. This candle finally breaks through that 15-minute. Then what happens? Candle comes back up, closes above. I wait for a pullback, and I entered in long, especially with the hammer. But I started loading in as it started pulling back. This is a confirmation candle for me. The pullback is just a bonus. Now, what also is here? This green bracket is the hourly. So the hourly was broken by the 5-minute time frame. I don't want to switch over because I don't want to mess it up. But I have it marked out here, the 5M. Guess what? It broke and closed above. And then what? Came down and retested it. It made it support again. Made it even stronger. Held it into the 50% pullback of the 1 hour. Bang, baby. All day. All day. All day. See what's going on here.
Daddy?
Yeah, this looks
Daddy?
dumpy, bro.
Is that you? Is that you? Daddy?
I mean, you got this this 1 minute candle with the soul collector. Oh, you got your money back. That's
Daddy?
right, Powers.
Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
So yeah, free Discord in the bio if you want that. YK, wait, what? Hey, bro, took the sell from 28,150 area with 25 micros. Oh my god. Is it real money?
USGH and brr. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Got a gap. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. Help me grow. Should I enter long once we hit this 1 hour rejection block or not? Because we're in a downtrend. Where's the rejection block? I don't want to switch over. We're going to see here. If it closes above 778s, then I'll go long. Triad, I'll see you tomorrow, bro. YK says, grew my funded from 50K to 130K so far, taking my third payout with Apex tomorrow. Nice, dude. Holy shit. I think props, you should stick with props for life until they kick you out. What's your strategy? You don't have to tell me exactly. You can just tell a brief. Hey, green is green, right, Powers? Let's see what happens here. We can long this. Kind of rejecting. Up or down right now. Jeffrey, I'm looking to see what happens with this yellow support line. If it breaks, then I'm going to look for a long. But it's got to close above it. Seize the day. What platform you use to trade? I use prop firms like Lucid and Trade Day. I connect them to Tradeovate, and I have a copy trader, and then I connect them to TradingView. So it's basically Tradeovate connected to TradingView. Does entering here make sense because power of 3 if we inverse the fair value gap? No, because you gotta confirm it. But I guess you could look at it that way. But this isn't a power of 3. It will become a power of 3. But that's a good way to look at it if you wanted to get in early. I just have these here so I could see everything. But this isn't confirmation yet. But this is a soul collector here, this flag. Meaning that the souls are collected and it starts to come up. If it starts to close above this gap, then yeah, we're going to start ripping up. Let's see. There it is. All right, so it closed. I'm going to go in too long. If it pulls back a little bit, I'll enter a little bit more, but that's about it. Stop will be below this low. This is the first target, but this can easily continue up. And then maybe it would become a CRT, but you got to wait until the 15 minutes done. And it can easily just retrace right back. So in my opinion, the inverted fair value gap has been failing a lot if it's not key levels. See. YK, wait, what? Says higher time frame, major support and resistance. Cool. EMA break and a retest as well as VWAP continuation. That's pretty cool. So it's just my opinion, and fair value inverted fair value gap works and it doesn't. Just like any other strategy, but it hasn't been working the greatest with me. Trust me, I traded inverted fair value gap a lot in the summer. We made over 50K a month in the summer using those. But it hasn't been working the best for me lately. So what happened here was 1 minute candle breaks the 15-minute low and the 1 hour low. So technically, let's go to the 5 minutes and see what candle this was that broke. Wow, it's like right there. So if this closes above here, the 5 minute, then we're gonna rip up, and most likely it will. I was denying it in the 5. I don't want to go that far. Why is it so far? Jesus. This is just for view on the right. Maybe see if there's going to be continuation. That's a gap. That ain't good. That ain't good. It might rip down a little bit. But we've got to stick with the stop loss. So right on top of this swipe candle. It's called the bully sweep, baby. If you guys aren't following, hit that follow button. If this doesn't hold, we're probably going to drop a lot. Probably 700s or lower. So keep that in mind. But got to give it room. That's when we're wrong. Well, it's really kind of just fell on me, huh? We're also out of order block, too. Yo, my internet's been crazy all day. I don't know what's going on. That long would have passed your eval? Would it? Uh-oh. This needs to rip up now. It's like it went over that 5 minute sweep candle and it just fucking denied. Let's go. Rip it up. Give it to me, baby. Mr. Bastard, go to bed. I think we Gucci here. If it denies, we're probably going to get a rejection off the order block to the upside. I'll probably add one more if it goes up. I don't think, nope. I'm not gonna go, huh? You little shithead? This is another account. Oopsie, thanks for the share. Appreciate you. It's not looking too great. Ah! Whatever. We needed one lose tonight, right? It looks so good. Didn't that show? Did I trade the wrong account? Did I trade the wrong account? I think I traded the wrong account. Alright, we're still up 1,000. That's hilarious. Watch it rip up. Just scalping this. Pretty sure I traded the wrong account. Yes, I did. That was a soul grabber, dude. I gotta stop trading this account, though, before I blow it up. That sucks. It's probably because it's Asia and it's slow, so they wanted more souls. I forgot to change the count on this one. Ah, so stupid. Alright. I got back in. It obviously soul collected. Why not get back in? You see it going back up. Yeah, definitely grabbed my soul. But it held that order block. That's what made me get back in. Wow. Disrespectful. I already know why I got that text. Definitely hit your level, didn't it? Gotta close above and continue. The 5 minutes still in play if it goes above and closes. It would be up here around like 840s. But it's got to close above it. It's not holding. If anything, we should short it. Clear rejection. If this goes up, I'm gonna be so mad. Look at this thing. Fucking soul grabbing, baby. I gotta be careful though. I forgot to switch accounts. Dude, you're a piece of poop. Closed above. Long in gold. Gold, I've been staying away from gold. This is really playing games, so this is a good time to get off right after this. Gonna get off. Whenever it starts to do this, remember this is what happened today. Just walk away. Walk away. It's playing games. Playing games. Definitely gotta change his account though. Did not mean to I changed it on my other one, but not this one. Let me look at gold. I haven't looked at gold in a while, dude. Look how slow it is. See how many winners there was here. Alright, well this one was no trade. This was a trade winner. Would have been a loser. This one would have been a winner. Winner. Big winner. That was the big dog. And then the 15. You said you're longing it? Crude oil is probably insane today. Like, I haven't tested it as much in these other ones, but you can see they're winning. Yeah. Maybe I'll have to look at these other ones. Didn't mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. This is a loser. Most likely he's gonna fall. I thought you were going to bed too. Yeah, it got tricky. They didn't want that 5-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute real quick. MNQ, look at it. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Like, it just doesn't want it yet. The sweep candle, it goes up. You can see it. We draw a level across it, and it just rejects. Wish I held that short, but too tricky. I don't think I should play any more games. We'll trade in the morning. Let me do my closer here, 660, 670. Oh, yeah, you did call that before, Mr. Bob. You did. You fucking did. You did. Credit to you. Credit to you. If you're not following, hit that follow button. The two prop firms that I use is Lucid and Trade Day. If you guys ever heard of Trade Day is a new style where you got 5 days to pass your eval. You can't make more than 1,000 a day. You got to make 3,000 without losing 2,000. That's for the 50K account. Once you pass, it takes a while to pass it, 5 days. But once you pass, you could take a payout on day one, no buffer. So say you made $800 that day, you could take $800 out. There is a little bit of a gimmick though. If you want to take out early, they take out half. So like they take half of it. So say you take $400 and they keep $400. That's the only downside, but there's no prop firm out there that lets you take it out early. None at all. So it's a new style. I'm trying it out. And we'll go from there. This is a Lucid daily payout. I just hit the buffer with $1,000 over. I'm gonna lock it out so we can take the payout tomorrow. We'll take home $1,000. If you want the latest and greatest discount on all those prop firms, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. And once you guys use it a lot, what I usually do is I do account giveaways. And just join my free Discord. I'll let you know when we do the giveaways. And we go from there. We have a good time when we do the giveaways. We do a wheel spin. It's intense. It's intense. But, you know, they're worth like $90 to all the way up to $150. So 32 in here. What's 32? 3,200? Oh, yeah. This is the daily Lucid payout account. So I'm going to take 1,000 out of that out tomorrow. And we'll see what we could do with it. I didn't mean to trade it. I lost $150 on it. I went to go change accounts and I forgot. But yeah, this got all real sloppy, guys. It got real sloppy, so I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm going to call it a night. We're going to go to bed. We'll get up in the morning. And we'll trade the morning. Remember, it's probably going to die down early tomorrow because there is interest rate decisions tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Pretty big news, so. It's a doozy. Other than that, if you're not following, hit that follow button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, free Discord in the bio. We communicate in there when we're not on. Anytime you guys got any kind of questions, or if you want my indicators, you can join my VIP section. That's the only thing I charge for. It's $1 a day. Well, it's a 30-day free trial and $1 a day. Good night, Mrs. Powers.
Other than that, fully bears his doses.